Welcome to Slow Home Studio. Today is Thursday, June 2nd, and we're going to be continuing on our week about small space design. Thank you to everybody who commented yesterday on our small kitchen design segment, and all of this is leading up to our design project, which we're going to introduce tomorrow, which is going to be a laneway house, and we're going to have all the details in tomorrow's episode. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to show the second segment of John's interview with Bryn Davidson, who is the designer and principal of Lanefab in Vancouver. And I just wanted to have a quick look at the plans because they're going to sort of inform us about our design project tomorrow. So the Lanefab houses are 710 square feet, and they're built on a 33-foot wide lot, and they have one outdoor parking space. And this is the ground floor, so this is 33 feet wide here. There has to be enough room to move into the yard, plus there has to be room for one car to park. So the main floor has the bedroom and the bathroom. And then on the upper floor, as you remember, we had our single-sided kitchen and our living and dining space, as well as a small outdoor balcony. So here's the second part of John's interview with Bryn Davidson.
So why are you doing this? What drives you to do this? It's a kind of unconventional thing to do. You seem to have a big environmental agenda you really care about. Why?
Yeah, big environment. I think both my business partner Matt and I came into this with a big interest in doing green buildings. Part of the background of where I'm coming from to the Lane House is I designed and renovated a very, very small, under 400 square foot condo for myself and my wife that we still live in today. And we were interested as a couple in saying, you know, how small can we go in terms of our footprint and still live in a very comfortable way. And so there was a lot that we learned from designing that space and then actually living in it. And so in many ways the Lane House projects are sort of an outgrowth of that sort of personal interest in small living. On the other hand, I do a lot of work related to environmental issues and urban planning. So I'll travel around a lot and talk about how our cities make us oil dependent and what are the impacts of climate change relative to urban planning. And so when it came to building our own projects, we had to really kind of then, you know, walk the talk, so to speak. So with each of our projects, we try to design our Lane House to such an energy efficient level that if somebody were to come and do a major renovation on the main house for energy efficiency, it could offset the impact of the Lane House. So the goal would be that, if possible, we could do a combined renovation and Lane House and have the overall thing be impact neutral.
Very interesting to see the practical sustainability attributes of the laneway housing design and how the small space really contributes to an overall environmental agenda. So taking from that, tomorrow we're going to be doing our design project where we're actually going to be working on the design of a laneway house. So make sure you come back tomorrow and we're going to get that started.